We will retain strong test, trace and isolate measures to combat the virus, meaning there will still be public health measures in place. With strong surge capacity for contact tracing, WA's unique position of zero COVID and a 90% vaccination rate means border controls can ease with minimal community restrictions compared to other jurisdictions. At transition, we will not require capacity or gathering limits. Proof of vaccination will be required for entry at nightclubs, the Crown Complex, the 4 major stadia being Optus Stadium, RAC Arena, HBF Stadium and HBF Park, and at events with 1,000 or more patrons. For venues and events, proof of vaccination is required for anyone aged 16 and over. Other businesses may also choose to have proof of vaccination requirements as a condition of entry to protect their staff and patrons if they wish. Businesses should consider their individual circumstances and seek their own legal advice. At this point, mask wearing will only be required for public transport, taxis and rideshare services, airports and on flights, and visitors to hospitals, residential aged care, residential disability care, and custodial corrections facilities. In addition, there will still be restrictions on entry for certain remote communities. These baseline measures strike the right balance for WA's safe reconnection with the world. However, in the event that they need to be stepped up, we will do so based on health advice and hospitalisation rates at the time. While these light measures will be in place for most of WA, some regions have dramatically lower vaccination rates. As I flagged when we released the Safe Transition Plan last month, if individual regions do not get their vaccination rates up, then further measures will be needed to protect the community. At present, the Pilbara, the Goldfields and the Kimberley have lower vaccination rates than the rest of the state. Pilbara has a double dose vaccination rate of 46.1%. The Kimberley is at 60.8% and the Goldfields at 65%. These are the only regions that currently have a first dose rate below 80%. As a result, if those regions do not reach at least 80% double dose by February 5, they will be subject to enhanced public health measures, which will be as follows. Proof of vaccination requirements will be expanded to pubs, bars, dine-in service at restaurants and cafes, bottle shops, other indoor entertainment venues, gyms and fitness centres. Mask wearing will be required at other indoor venues that do not require proof of vaccination, such as supermarkets, roadhouses or getting takeaway. And no air travel into the region will be permitted without proof of vaccination for people aged 12 and over.